Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to type h2o in Google Docs. So firstly type h2o. Now only select 2 and click on format text and select here subscript. Format text and subscript. So this way you can type O h2o. If you see this type of error, so firstly remove and now type h2o. So this way you can type h2o. I will show you again. So firstly type format text and subscript. Now type h2o. Select to format text and subscript. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.